Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get a mobile boarding pass on Condor. The first thing I'd like you to do is launch a Condor account, which of course I've done right here. Now, how can you create an account on Condor? Pretty simple. Launch in the browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type condor.com. That's going to take you to the official website for Condor. Once you get in there, check the top right corner of your screen. You're going to find the My Condor tab. Click on that and follow through the on-screen prompts to create your account. Now, after creating your account successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Condor. So now right here, let's quickly hop into today's stats, which is how to get a mobile boarding pass on Condor. From this homepage, head over to the top corner of your screen where you have all of these tabs: book and plan, flight preparation, fly and enjoy, get inspired, my booking, and carriers. Go ahead and click on flight preparation. And once you click on flight preparation, you have these categories: check-in, baggage and animals at the airport, travel advice. From the check-in category, go ahead and click on online check-in. So from this online check-in, you'll see how you can get a mobile boarding pass. So stresslessly and convenient, check in online 24 hours prior to your departure time and get your boarding pass in advance. So it means after checking in, after checking in and completing your check-in, you're going to get your boarding pass. So check in quickly and easily at home or at the office, print your boarding pass in advance or load it onto your device as a mobile boarding pass. So long haul flights and all of these things. So if you want to get the boarding pass, the mobile boarding pass, click on check in online now. So once you do that, print your boarding pass in advance and load it onto your device. Download it as a mobile boarding pass. So click on this check in online now button. It's going to take you to my booking. So over here, enter like your booking number, where did you book your flights, your date of outbound flight, your passenger surname, and click on continue. Once you do that and you search for this booking, you're going to be able to find your mobile boarding pass and you'll be able to download it from Condor. This is pretty much the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you are done, you will be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.